What's up, everyone? This is me, Ali Raza, and I'm here with an amazing hosting company review. One of the hosting company which is being known as fastest WordPress managed WordPress hosting company around. Have been here for years. They have amazing reviews. Trust me, I'm going to show you Trustpilot at 4.9. Just imagine out of 5, a hosting company. Usually hosting company doesn't get such amazing reviews. A hosting company getting 4.5 out of 5 reviews. That's simply exceptional. But yeah, I'm going to do a detailed review where I'm going to not only discuss the pros of it but also the cons of it, so on why you should and why you should not. So without wasting any time, let's get first started on our amazing hosting company, and that is WPX hosting company. They have been around. They got amazing reviews. Matthew Woodward, which is a famous vlogger, a blogger who I personally follow. And when I started my career into blogging, he was kind of an inspiration for me. He has also rated as one of the best hosting company. By Matt Digity, who is a well-known SEO expert, has rated it as the best SEO hosting company, and by Kevin as the top tier web hosting company. And they have their own independent testing where they have been recognized and they have been known as the top hosting company through different tests supervised with different companies to say on which one is better. So now let's move on why VPS and what is WPX. So for the why VPX is a good hosting company, you can see the reviews over here. I'm going to show you the reviews from over here on the Trustpilot on how they are being rated on Trustpilot. So you can see that I have just opened the website in front of you, and you can see that the WPX got 4.9 out of 5 by 3,335 customers. Let me tell you that not every customer who has amazing reviews always give a review. So which is why there are thousands more satisfied customers, which haven't given a review. But let's look on the reviews. Insane customer support. My site crashed and Yanku helped me get it back up and running within 5 minutes. I will never use another hosting company. This is a recent 12 hours ago review by someone from US, then someone from Denmark. Best service ever. In about 10 seconds, you get an answer to your question, and most problems are solved within a minute. So they have hugely emphasized on two things here: speed and support. What else you need when you're running a big hosting company? And that is, you need a fastest website speed. I believe that a second late is a second lost. And I am also a strong advocate to for websites having faster speed. Then the second thing is you may need support in case of any issue, error. Your website needs to be backed up as soon as possible, and they are providing it. But I'm not going to end over here. Let's see more on what they promise is. They promised you that 83% of migrated websites are faster instantly, immediately when they are being shifted to their servers, and they claim that 99% of chat requests are answered in less than 30 seconds. 90% of client issues are resolved on chat without escalation, means they do not have to forward to third party, second party, or higher support, but they themselves solve the problem for you. And 99% of sites see speed improvement after WPX optimization. You can see that they have an amazing speed. You can see their weekly stats, and they have an amazing response rate. They have more than 60,000 websites hosted. Amazing requests handled by their CDN, XDN. So these are the two guys who run this company. They founded in 2013, and ever been then they have been growing at a very fast speed. Now let's move on to their XDN. CDN is the cloud content delivery network, but they have their own XDN, which makes their website loaded even faster than CDN. So that gives them an added advantage over others. When you have a big hosting, big website, especially this is for those who have a big website and they have issues when you are using a lot of plugins on WordPress, then you may need a faster web hosting speed, which is why XDN have been, a very uh, preferred option to be chosen. Now let's move on to their plans. Okay, make sure to click on the link in the description to get this amazing discount, and you are getting 2 months free as well. And you can host up to 5 websites in the business plan. In the professional plan, you can host up to 15 websites, and in the elite plan, you can host up to 35 websites with 60 GB storage and unlimited bandwidth plus 1 GB RAM per site, which is actually a great resource to be allocated with 3 CPU cores and free malware remover. So in case of any possible hack on your website, they have their own free malware scanner. They have an amazing 30-second every support response. They fix this for free if site goes offline. Free site speed optimization, 99.95% uptime, and 30 days money back guarantee. You can see that all the plans include one thing, and that is that they have one-click WordPress install, data centers in USA, UK, Australia, high-speed custom CDN, also known as the XDN, with 35 global edge locations. And then you can see over here they have unlimited SSL, unlimited email, super fast SSD storage, and they also provide you with DDoS protection and 28 days automatic backup. And staging area, you can view more features as well, but now let's move on and compare WPX plan with other hosting companies. Now if we compare WPX to other premium managed WordPress hosting, you can see that they have top three competitors with WPX as Kinstar, WP Engine, and Rocket. You can see the plans. The base plan is the cheapest at WPX at 24.99, and if there is someone close, and that is WP Engine with at $25. But and Kinstar at $35 and Rocket at $30. But if you see that the advantage of WPX is that you can host up to 5 websites over here, and you also have free email included, which no other company provided at their base plan. You also can see that only WPX is providing you can host up to 5 websites in the base plan. And then if you can see that this space allocation, that is also being provided by WPX at 15 GB, while the others are providing at 15 GB, and you are also getting 200 GB bandwidth. And then the thing which I'm going to emphasize is over here is that the Trustpilot score, trust me, 4.9 is amazing out of 5. And the only close competitor over here is Rocket.net at 4.9. But you can see that they have reviews at just 1118, but they have more than, at the time of this, they have more than 3,000 reviews. You can just see over here, 3,000 reviews over there, and 3,000 people can't be wrong over here. And if you see, the competitors only have very, little reviews left. And the pricing is the cheapest most over here, which is why make them a prominent option. Now let's move on to their own plans to see what WPX is offering. WPX is offering 3 plans: business, professional, and elite. I told you before as well, and do a comparison and see which one is good for you. But let's see more on them. You can see that you are getting amazing things at no and additional prices, such as email service. You are also getting fixed for your guarantee website in case of any issue. You are also being provided with website speed optimization, which additionally costs at $525. And malware remover is an other additional software you are getting for any possible bad things happening on your website. It is being covered with their own malware remover. And then you're also being provided with CDN. So that is additional roughly $200 per month additional saving if you buy any of their plans. So if you ask me, I definitely recommend you to migrate to WPX. And if you see their support, their amazing things have been done, so which makes them definitely a preferred hosting company. If you ask me, I'm definitely going to recommend you to go with WPX. I have compared it with Kinstar, WP Engine, and Rocket, 3 of the finest, fastest WordPress hosting companies. And trust me, WPX have been proven to be the fastest web hosting company option, because they provided you with the most features at the lowest price, such as you can host up to 5 websites. You are also getting free email, a lot of space, a lot of bandwidth resources, and a lot of other software resources, which makes them a preferred option. They also provide you with a malware scanner, 99.95% uptime guarantee, and you are also getting 30 days money back guarantee, which is the best thing I like about WPX hosting. So I suggest definitely you to go with the WPX hosting. So what you have to do is to click on the link in the description to get amazing discount while buying your hosting from WPX. So good luck with your hosting with WPX. Thank you.